Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this integral derivative look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds using the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus. Let us dive right in. To find the slope of the tangent line, we need the derivative of the function. By the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, the derivative of this integral is simply the integrand. Now, we evaluate this derivative at the specific point where x equals 5. This gives us the exact expression for the slope of the tangent line at that location. Boom! Finally, we compute the numerical value. Using the values for natural log of 5 and e to the negative 5th power, we arrive at our final answer of 0.054. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Avoid skipping the integral trap by using the FTC rule and verifying your final precision.